Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg. Today we are on the 19 SPX from Sea Ray. This boat has storage, both port and starboard, under the forward seating. We have the infinity woven flooring, snap in, glove box, lockable, storage. At the helm of the 19 SPX outboard, you have tilt steering, fusion stereo, your gauges, and a depth finder. We have the in-floor storage locker for your skis. We have a large insulated cooler area. Because this is the 19 SPX outboard, you have a very large storage area. This is where the motor would normally be. We have the ski pylon at the transom, and of course our Mercury 150 horsepower outboard. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this was the Sea Ray 2019 190 SPX outboard. You can contact me at 609-494-2102. Thank you.